last year I slacked so much because of everything we had going on. And I actually feel like my health, I'm not gonna say it's declining, but I don't feel as strong as I used to. But again, this year I'm gonna go strong, man. I'm gonna try as hard as I can, to be with the family, to grow more vegetables, and get in the gym a lot more as I can. And you all should try and do the same thing, guys, because we only have one temple and we have to take care of it. I'm gonna let me son do a couple of them real quick. And again, guys, he's 10 years old. Now, if you get fatigued, let your legs help you out. Quick service at 877 you can now. You'll be able to connect to a quick coach who will help you assess your addiction by starting you off with a personalized treatment plan. One more. You also qualify for free nicotine patches. One more for good times. All right, last one for Fortnite. Come on. All right, this one here for a home run this season. Go. Atta boy. Now relax your back. All right, guys, now what I'm gonna show you guys in this exercise that my wife's doing. Now, honey, if you actually go back, now guys, y'all know, no. Come up with your hand, arc your chest, because what happened is we all get older. What I'm trying to do so you guys can save money on actually getting them things done. My baby in here, I can't say it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, she's gonna help to fill in this area right here, okay? Now you're gonna arc yourself back a little bit, all right? Now as you come up, see how you wanna go slow, okay? Yep, all right, but now you see here, as you come down, I'm gonna have her keep your hands just like this and slowly go down right there in that position, okay? Now come up, not too far back, and engage your chest right inside. Engage your chest. Yep, keep your hands just at a slight angle because that's gonna allow your, okay? All right. Okay, now I'm gonna pass this to my wife. Okay, hold on, honey, let me get in there.
I'm like having muscle failure.
Okay, now, baby, I gotta kind of show them. Can I show them? Yeah, how it works. To see, they can't see. Just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna show y'all just a little bit, a little peek. It'll be like a workout shirt. Okay, what you guys do is just hold yourself back like this, just like that. Okay, look, see how my arms are in a slight tilt, just like that. That's gonna help fill in the top part of you guys' breast area. Stay right there, baby. Let me put a little more weight. My hands are just like this, so I'm going to stay right at that angle, right to the top. 3, 2, 1, all the way down. And for my older sisters out there, it's like when y'all go to church and praise the Lord, stand up like that. It's like this. Do it all in the name of the Lord. here is gonna work like more of the middle. That's my boy.
Breathe.
Blow it out. 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 You ran out of air. You didn't run out of strength. You ran out of air. Push it. Get it off yourself and don't push it. No, you breathe and get it off, you're gonna hurt yourself. You're no grandchild. Come on, boy. Push it. Mind over matter, guys. Watch this. Bring it down. Now. There you go. There you go. But 2 seconds ago, he was tired. He ran out of air.
That's why I was telling you to breathe.
Blow it out. There you go. There you go, boy. All right, guys. Happy New Year to everybody. May God bless you all. Let's all try to stay happy this year. Peace, love, blessings, better yards, better gardens. Get in the gym this year. Or get in the garden, hold the rake up. And also when you rake, do this. That's gonna help all of this. Turn that rake, get in there real good. I love you guys. Have a good one.